Hey there, Sew Yours family. I wanted to give you a little teaser video of some upcoming products that will be hitting our website over the next couple of months. Now, I did do a little teaser video about 2 weeks ago on all of these vinyls that we've got in. So we've got some croc vinyls, we've got some textured vinyls, our python, animal prints, and then we've got some weave vinyls right there. Do apologize, I know you guys have been eagerly awaiting for those. You've been messaging me. I've been busy with the May 12th pattern release, so this Monday we will be releasing a new pattern. And here is just some of the fabric bundles for the pattern that are staged up. We've got them all over the place. This is just the overflow of them. So I've been working on getting that ready for you, the pattern release. And then I will be doing the product photography on all of these beauties right here. So that's on my schedule for next week. And then therefore, probably the week after that or so, you'll start seeing emails from me. So make sure you subscribe to our newsletter to get notified when all of these products go online. I will be releasing them in phases because your pocketbook needs to recover, because I know you guys can't buy them all at once. But right here, this is all of our brand new liner text prints. So we brought in a whole bunch of new prints. You guys loved the first release of our liner text prints. So we've got a whole bunch of new prints back. And then you also loved our printed water resistant canvas. So this is all of the printed water resistant canvases that we have. We have 8 brand new printed vinyls in the cracked texture. And then, like I said, these are the ones that we've already shown you before. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me, a lot of exciting fabrics. And gosh, I just want to sit here and make bags with all of these, but I've got to get them online for you. So let me just unroll a couple of these that are some of my favorites. But honestly, they're all amazing. And these are all Sew Yours exclusive that I've designed myself. I don't remember all of the names because there are so many new designs. So I apologize. If you see something that you like, you'll just have to keep an eye out on the newsletter and search the website. Here's another print that I really like. This is the water resistant canvas. We've got a plaid here. And I apologize for the shaky camera. This one is absolutely stunning. So check that out, nice and rich. We've got a chevron print. I think this one's called Artistic Angles. We've got this, I think it's called Dancing Daisies print right here. Look at this beautiful, I think this is called Dusky Rose or something like that. I can't remember. But love that one. Oh, here's another one of my favorites. I just love these colors together. So there's that one. And we have books. You guys like our books. We had it in the printed vinyl. So we brought in another books. This is probably called Rustic Reads. So this is the liner text water resistant fabric. But we also brought in a new printed vinyl in the books as well. So it's a similar pattern, but not quite the same. So the printed vinyl and then the liner text. I love this one right here. It's so sweet. Oh, what else can I show you? We've got a magnolia print right here. This one is super stunning. Look at that one. I think that one's called Enchanted Something or other. We've got a retro Damasque. And that's actually one of the prints that's going to be in one of our upcoming bundles for the pattern release. I'll show you a couple more here. We've got this one. This is Indigo Pebbles. We've got an owl print to go with our owl zipper pulls that are coming out. Now, if you are in Dunellen, Florida, and you've shopped our store recently, then you've already been able to shop all of these new designs as they are now available in our store. So that's the benefit of living here in Dunellen or close by. You guys can shop all of the new releases immediately after they get delivered to us. We've got a sunflower and bumblebee print. I think that's upside down, but there's little bumblebees on there. This one is really fun. I like that one a lot. We needed something with brown in it. We did not have very much with brown, so we got this beautiful brown floral print. Here is another printed vinyl right there. So now that I've made a mess, I need to clean up so that I can get all these photographed next week. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for our newsletter for all of our upcoming releases. I am super excited for that. Thank you so much for watching.